Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Scruff on Unboxings here today, and I've got the Warhammer's Champions trading card game booster pack. Yeah, there's 13 cards in these packs, so this could be awesome, I hope. I know it's not Pokemon, but Pokemon's expensive, and I don't really have the money to keep getting it all. So I thought instead of waiting ages between videos and that, I'd get these because they're a bit cheaper. Yeah. They feel nice. They feel like actual playing cards. They look cool. They do actually look nice. Yeah. Let's move the camera a bit. Yeah. And there's like one foil in every pack. There will be more Pokemon videos up soon. I've got a few packs I can open, but they'll all be in separate videos. It's gonna be like a mixture between these and the Pokemon, so yeah, that'd be good. You know, I don't know what these are worth. They're new cards, so they're probably not worth anything yet. But maybe one day they'll be worth something. Yeah. That's the whole mob rule. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Just thank you for watching. Bye.